your head a minute. Now. Garrett, you have a puppy on your bottom. Oh, change your mind? Wanna go the other way? Wanna go the other way? Nope. Nope. Back and forth. Back and forth. That's very good exercise, Garrett Brown. That is very good exercise. What you looking at up there? What you looking at up there? Back and forth. Back and forth. Oh. Garrett. Now flip. Now flip. And get my feet. I cannot see what is so interesting over here. Let's look and see. What could it be? Oh my! Oh my! You beautiful boy. Oh yeah? Yeah? Oh, be careful. You might box your nose. Be careful. You might box your nose. Yes, sir. Oh, yeah. Oh. You gonna bat again? You gonna bat your arm? Here are my hands, and I'll rest my head. Being a baby is so much work. So much work. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. That. Garrett, be careful. Be careful with that little arm.